If you're concerned that you have bots in your email list and you want to uncover them and get rid of them, what we recommend is that you apply an invisible ink technique, which is where you're going to send out emails with URLs and the text is going to be in white, which means that the only way it could get clicked on is if it were mechanical as a bot, because it would not be seen by a human. So the way we set this up is we create a message, and you'll see here that the text is invisible because we have it in white, and there's a link where we're just going to, in this case, a Twitter page. And we know, again, if this gets clicked on because it is not visible, then it would be a bot. The next step in my process is to set up a target that I'm going to use, and when the rule is met, it's going to trigger an export to Zapier so we can actually bounce that record back into our suppressed list. Now, the good thing about this is as you're getting all the different bots that be in your mailing list, you can use Zapier to send those records to other resources. It could be your agency, it could be a demand gen firm that you're using, anything. So there is a practical application for setting this up and making sure that any companies you're doing business with to send emails are not also sending these bots out. Now, in the setup of the target, it was if the email was clicked and we had a campaign, it was an Autobot, and the name of the Autobot message was add to address book, and the destination URL we had was Twitter. So I'm going to search for my target. And I hit play. So any individual who meets that rule, again, is going to be exported to Zapier. Now, the next thing I want to do is have a Makesbridge to Makesbridge Zap set up. And again, what this is going to do, it's going to grab those people when they get exported from Makesbridge. When they click, again, we're going to bounce them right back up into Makesbridge into our suppressed list. Here in Zapier, I'm going to make a Zap to make all this happen. Okay, I'm going to use Makesbridge, and then I just follow the prompts. And you see that the drop down here is clicked bot trap. So again, this is the trigger that we have set up within Makesbridge. And when anyone meets that rule, then they're going to be exported to Zapier. And then the step I'm going to add here is I'm going to add them back into the suppressed list of this account. One of the reasons why we're using Zapier is it connects with over 1,400 apps. These things about these bots are that they can drive up lead scores artificially. So picturing a typical B2B scenario where a lead alert goes out because somebody's clicked 3 or 4 times within a day. Well, in a standard lead scoring model, then the bot is going to be sent to your reps and they're just going to be fake people. So it's not only, we're doing this not only for the reputation part of it, the sender reputation, but also we want to do it because we don't want to foul up or gum up your CRM and other lead scoring that you may have. In the last step of the process, I just name my Zap and then I turn it on.